Hey everybody, Bill back at it again, and we are continuing our dive into the Miracle album. I'm doing these at night so I can turn the air conditioner off because it gets pretty warm in here during the day. You can hear a little bit of background noise. That's my fan that I keep on next to my bed so I don't totally roast in here. But it's a lot better than to have the air conditioner on. Anyways, so we're going to start off with Rain Must Fall. Really cool tune. It says it's written by Queen. Now it says on the wiki that it was a collaboration between John Deacon and Freddie Mercury, but I guess that's when the group decided that they want all credit to go to all four members equally. So basically from here on out that'll probably be what the description box says, unless it specifically says in the video who did it. But anyways, so let's have a listen and see what you guys think.
I can see it in your stars. Life is so exciting, acting so bizarre. Your world is so inviting, playing really cool and looking so mysterious. Honey, your every day is full of sunshine, but into every life a little rain must fall.
Alright, so that was a good song. I enjoyed that. By the way, my cat Morty jumped up and figured I'd let you guys say hi to him. Alright, so I wanted to show you this picture right here. So now this is 1989, so 2 years before he died. So he was probably pretty sick at the time. Not like as sick as he was when he did Innuendo. But as you can see, he's got like what's called moon face. Like before, like in 86, 84 or something like that, he had a real narrow face, right? But in this one, he's got kind of a rounded face, and that's usually a side effect from high doses of steroids, which they give people with autoimmune diseases like lupus, HIV, stuff like that. My fiance, well, my wife, we didn't get officially married, but we lived together for 23 years. Anyways, she had lupus, and when at one point she was on huge doses of steroids, and not anabolic, as like cortical, but yeah, and she got that rounded moon face like Freddie has. So yeah, just kind of made me wonder about that. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share. And if you didn't like seeing my cat and seeing me in my sweatpants just chilling on a Saturday night, you know, let me know in the comments and I'll knock that shit off. Anyways, take care. See you in the next video.